Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today I'd like to discuss vector geometry. Now, vector geometry is not very hard to understand. If we consider a billiard table and we have some balls on the table, and with your hand you take one ball and roll it across the table. It strikes another ball. The balls then each take a new course depending on the angle at which they impacted. Now, in the case of several balls, the balls will move away from the initial point of impact according to the angle that they were impacted. So if we put this in our lives, make this model a part of our interactions, how we approach another individual, that is a type of impact. Our energy touching their energy, eye contact, words, actions, these things are a type of touch, impact. And when we intersect with another particle, another person, how we receive them, how we communicate with them determines what is to happen next. Sometimes particles come together. They join as one. Other times, most of the time, they reflect and move in a different direction. Sometimes they return and spiral back and communicate once again. But the point here is this: the energy that drives us, moves us forward, allows us to make contact with other particles, is our intention. Our intention is what brought us here to Earth in this form, with these parents, with these associations, and our intention is what causes our energies to have meaning when we reflect from one particle, from one situation, from one lifetime to another. So, what is your intention? Is your intention to have a positive communication with other particles? Or are you angry, resentful, and thus causing negative communications with other particles? I would say that in this time of ascension, it is the best opportunity, the best time to increase your particles' polarity on the positive side. Meditation, yoga, tai chi, eating well, getting rest, enriching your mind with studies of light and positivity. When you intersect with other particles, that positivity will reflect positively on the other particles, altering their particle polarity in the slightest way. But if we all engage in positive growth, spiritual, physical, mental growth, then our interactions with the other particles will lead us on a higher plane, lead us to a higher plane in this crystalline reality. Each of those intersections becomes a facet on the crystal. The crystal will either reach upward or it will reach downward. Reaching downward causes the crystal to fragment, to shatter. Moving upward causes us to become enlightened. So, how do you feel about your communications, your vectors? Is your energy intersecting with other particles in a positive manner? I'd like to know. Please leave your comments, your questions below. Please subscribe to this channel. And by all means, ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are being uploaded. Thank you for your participation in this Divine Light program. Thank you for helping to create paradise on earth. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Namaste.